The annual Westbridge Corporate Expo was packed with CEOs, investors, entrepreneurs, and media. But among them all, the most watched figure was Zaydan al-Rashid, the young Arab billionaire known for his ruthless intelligence and unmatched chess skills. Some called him a genius. Others called him arrogant. Either way, he drew attention everywhere he went. Across the hall stood Elena Carter, CEO of Silverline Tech. Brilliant, confident, and famously competitive. The two had crossed paths before, and neither encounter had ended peacefully. Today, their rivalry had the perfect battleground. A charity chess match in the center of the expo, surrounded by cameras. Closer to the crowd stood someone who didn't fit the scene at all. A quiet single dad named Daniel Brooks, dressed in his simple work uniform. He had been hired only for event maintenance, moving equipment and checking sound cables. But he had brought his 6-year-old daughter, Layla, with him because he couldn't find a babysitter. She sat silently beside him, holding her small sketchbook, watching everything with wide eyes. The chess match began with the kind of icy tension that made people whisper. Elena moved her first piece calmly, but Zaydan responded with a smirk. "You'll need more than confidence to beat me, CEO," he said smoothly. "Chess is not an app you can update when you fail." The crowd chuckled. Elena's jaw tightened. "I don't need updates to beat ego," she answered. Piece after piece moved, each one with the kind of precision only professionals had. But Zaydan soon took control of the board. After just 10 minutes, he leaned back, completely relaxed. "You should resign," he said. "This board is no place for someone who panics." Elena's confidence wavered. Cameras zoomed in. Reporters leaned forward. The match was slipping away from her. Daniel felt uncomfortable watching the humiliation unfold. He admired Elena,